Hello and welcome to Casual Leaves. This is such a special video for me because I have received a package. Firstly, okay, I don't know how to start this one, but firstly, thank you. Thank you for sending these to me. I know now who sent these to me, and I'm going to be opening it very soon. So I reached home about 2 hours back, and I was collecting my packages from the security, and there was this additional package which I wasn't expecting, and clearly it's plants, and it's by House of Mirage by Belief. It's by them, and I saw it's by Belief, and I thought it's House of Mirage, and I was wondering why they've sent me more plants, because they've sent me plants a couple of months back for plant sitting them, which I am still doing for them. And I didn't really read the address slip on it, and it clearly says it's from Gail. Thank you so much, Gail, for sending these to me. Drizzle Some Green on Instagram has sent me plants, and I actually don't know the reason why. It isn't my birthday or anything, so I just messaged House of Mirage asking if they've sent this to me, by being so foolish to not even look at the address slip. It says it's from Gail. He also told me, so Sanket told me it's from Gail to me, and this has come by air. Actually, I think it has come in 2 days to me, and I have messaged you, Gail, by now expressing my surprise, and I'm just so happy to get these. And yes, I mean, I got this and I'm like, oh, there are plants here for some reason I have not ordered, and of course, like, I've been having this whole ordering issue going on, right? And here these are. So thank you so much, Gail, for sending these to me. I just want to quickly open them up. I really wish I opened these in the day so they got full justice, but I'm super excited and I don't want them to be in the boxes till morning, so I'm gonna open them up now. There are 3 plants here. I really don't know what to say, but I can only keep saying thank you at the moment. Loving the packaging, by the way. I'm just gonna separate the 3 boxes. Very cool. Don't Stop Belief in. Very cool. Love the unit as well. I think it's a mirror image, but I love these. Great packaging, great everything. I'm just trying to recollect if I've had any conversation with you, Gail, about something because of which you have sent these to me, but we'll be chatting on this. So in the meantime, let's do first thing first, which is to see which plants these are and get them out of the boxes. Oh, I always love the packaging here, where this whole surprise element until you get right to the plant itself, so you don't really see a sneak peek. Great packaging as usual. House of Mirage, great job there. There's some stuff at the bottom too. I'm gonna push it out. Ooh. Why have you sent me plants? Okay, here is the first one. Oh, it's an anthurium. Is there a tag or something? Because I'll not know actually. Oh my god. It's a forgetti. I think it's a type of forgetti. I mean, it's a closed sinus one, so I'm assuming. Isn't this closed sinus? It is, right? Yes. Oh my god. And what a lovely plant itself. Like, this very plant is such a lovely sample of... Oh, I love it. Actually, the nightlight isn't too bad either. Oh my god, this has really made my day. I've been having such days, and Gail knows about it a bit, but this really has uplifted me and my mood. Like, this is kind of like a complete restart mentally for me, getting new plants. I am now feeling I should really start ordering a lot of plants because the joy of getting a new plant is just something else. Oh, here's the second one. Some different material of packaging there. Oh my god. Am I gonna be like crying in this video? Oh my god. So that's a philodendron, and I think that's a glorious or something. Philodendron. Is it glorious? Am I like, I feel like such a, oh no, there's a leaf which has broken. Oh no. Oops, this leaf has also broken. Okay. Is this, which plant is this? It's a philodendron. I think it's a gloriosum type. So okay, there are lots of plants in it. There's like 3 baby plants in it, I think. So there was one here which broke, the new leaf. This one completely broke, unfortunately. It's a little bad, that's okay. Then this, I guess, is a part of that plant, and there's one little baby plant here. I think it's which one are you? Is it like gloriosum type or something? I think it's lovely. Thank you so much. So much. I wish I knew the right name while showing it here, but loving it. I don't know what I've done to deserve this. I don't know at all why Gail has sent me her name is on this as well. What would be the reason? I still don't know, but thank you so much. I appreciate this way too much. I don't think I'm being at all the same friend in that sense. I've sent you plants, but not these amazing plants for sure. Okay, let's see which one is this gonna be. Like a cloud coming out of the box. Oh, it's another anthurium. Okay, very interesting. Oh my, this is so cool. Amazing. And this whole packaging is just so unique. Which one are you? It's a type of crystallinum, a type of crystallinum, because look at that shine on the silvery veins. It's like glitter on it, literally. The camera won't capture it, but the veins are like glittery. Let me open up the rest of the packaging. Oh, so cool. It's so cool. Amazing. What a cute little container. And as usual, amazing packaging by House of Mirok, Belief. So which one are you? I'm gonna just try and actually click a picture and figure out if we can ChatGPT. Which plants are these? Just gonna click pictures. Let's see if ChatGPT can work. Yeah, so I think this, it says is like a crystallinum or magnificum, which even I feel the shape is very magnificum like. So plant with strong white venation, elongated leaves, looks like an anthurium crystallinum or a hybrid involving crystallinum and possibly magnificum. Second one is philodendron gloriosum. Even I feel it actually could be gloriosum itself, not glorious but gloriosum. I do think it could be that, which is amazing because I've always wanted it. I've always wanted a gloriosum, and I had it long ago and it did really poorly. I'd ordered it from Facebook from a seller. Let me not get started on that. And this is also, yes, so I think I was right. This is like a Forgetii hybrid, it says. These look like Anthurium Forgetii hybrids, the symmetrical shape and closed sinus, possibly Anthurium Forgetii crossed with a crystallinum. These are my favorite ones. I really wanted a closed sinus Anthurium. She knows that. So thank you so much. I love these. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is so cool. So I am gonna wrap up this video and I'm gonna pester Gail and even Belief House of Mirak for being in on this, and I had no clue. But guys, thank you so much. Gail, thank you so much. I don't know what I did to deserve these plants. Thank you so much. Just so much gratitude. I'm so happy, even if like I have made one connection with my YouTube channel with you, and of course there are a couple of more of you guys. Thank you so much for everyone who connects with me at such a deeper emotional level than just watching videos and you know, moving on into their lives, but actually making connections and loving plants together. Like, that's just so amazing. And I'm learning that how sharing can be so beautiful. Like when you're sharing these plants with me, I feel I should also be kind of, you know, doing that. I don't. I'm a very closed person. So I find even gifting so difficult. Like, it's such a difficult thing for me to do. Receiving, of course, is also difficult for someone like me. Like, I don't know how to respond, but loving it. Love it. Love it. Totally love it. And thank you so much. This video especially for Gail, drizzle some green, and of course plants are amazing from House of Mirak. Packaging is on point, everything is on point. Lovely. And I'll wrap up this video here. I'm gonna go and pester these guys, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye.